and today we will talk about notification. And in notification, we have till now we have done notification with actions, heads up notification, group notification, and notification channel with simple notifications. Now today we will learn about expandable notifications. So let me just show you a quick demo. Okay, so when we click on expandable notification with text, will show you a text with expanded notification. When you click on collapse button, it will show you a collapsed um, content. And when you will click on the expand button, you can expand the notification, and you can see that our content is here. And also use this like this. And when you will click on the image, I mean the notification with the image, as you can see that we can see a image here. And when we will click on the expand button, the image will be gone shorter, and when you will click on the image will go as a bigger. So let me show you that how you can create this. First let me just uninstall the app. Let's get started. Go to your Android Studio, and before starting for notification, you should create the notification channel. Okay. This I have already created a video on that how you can create a notification channel and what are the uses of notification channel. So you can watch the video. I will provide a link in description. So let's get started with the notification with the expandable notification with text. So first I'm gonna write web content, center in parent, true, and text expandable notification with text. And I'm gonna set a on click. So expandable text notification. Press Alt Enter. Create expand text notification method in main activity. Okay. So now here I'm gonna create a text expandable text notification. So for that, notification combat dot builder new notification builder. Then you will need then we will need a notification ID, channel ID. So here is our channel ID for now. So right now we need utils dot channel ID. Sorry, here we have to change this. Okay, and after that dot set small icon dot minmap dot IC launcher dot set content title. So here I'm gonna give it a name as a notification text expandable notification text. Sorry, this title dot set content text. So I'm gonna set as a Lorem ipsum, which is a dummy text right now. Dot set priority. So the priority should be, I'm setting the priority as a priority default. You can change it as well. Dot set large icon. So sorry, here we are creating a dot set style for setting a expandable notification. You can use set style, and then you have to use new notification big text style. Okay, this one, and then you have to set big text, and you have to pass the content you want to show when you expand the notification. So I'm gonna copy some text here. Okay, and just get paste here. Okay. Just okay. Now we just need to get a notification. Sorry, notification manager combat, notification manager combat, notification manager dot combat from. Okay. Pass the context this notification manager combat dot notify. Now we need a notification ID here, and so we will create a notification ID public static final integer. So notification ID 001 utils dot notification ID, and then we will set a notification to it dot field. So expandable notification with text is created now. Let me just run it and show you. Okay, so let's run the okay. As you can see that expandable notification title is here, and that text we have set it in this simply text, it is here. So when you click on collapse, this will show you that lorem ipsum which we have set to the content text. Okay, so now let's go and run create the notification with image. So I'm going to set an ID to it. So give it an image first button, and then and below ID first button with image. Just change the name image. Okay, now press alt enter, create method in main activity. Okay, so we will copy the this one, and we will remove this style from here. For setting up an image we need a new big big picture style. So after that dot set big picture. Okay, for creating an image we let me just import an image. So I already have an image. Let me just copy this, and I'm gonna paste it in a drawable. Okay, okay. Now I'm gonna create a bitmap here. So passing the bitmap, and bitmap factory dot decode get resources and the user ID. So r dot drawable dot banner. Okay, we have successfully created a bitmap. Yeah. So now we just need to pass a bitmap, and for showing a large icon, we need to set for showing the large icon. Just pass the same bitmap. Okay, and if you want that when your notification is expanded, okay, so you just want to hide the large icon and want to show the picture as a thumbnail, then just sorry, dot big large icon null. Okay, so what this will do is this method will hide this icon, okay, when you expand the notification. Okay, so here is our bitmap is setted now. Okay, fine. Builder. I'm generating the notification in the same channel ID, which is the notification first channel ID. So let me just show you some notification title image. Let me just change the title here, image, and content. Okay. Now let's So hope you get the point that when you want to set the expandable notification, you need to use the set style. And if you want to set the text as a text as a expandable, then you can use the big text style. And if you want to set the image, you can use big picture style. Okay. So let me just first click on the text. As you can see that our text is expanded. Okay. And when you will click on the image notification, as you can see that our content, our title, content, and our image as a thumbnail. And when you will click on the expand collapse button, you can see that our image large icon is shown. I mean the thumbnail short icon is shown. And when you will expand the notification, you can see the thumbnail. Okay. If you like the video, please do like, share, and comment your queries.